Political battle lines have been drawn over the alleged I-PAC coal scam case. Another writ petition has been filed by the Enforcement Directorate in the Supreme Court against the wrongful restriction of its officers during a search operation in Kolkata. The writ petition has been filed against the West Bengal State Government and the Chief Minister on behalf of 3 Enforcement Directorate officers who were in West Bengal during the operation. Earlier, the Central Probe Agency approached the Supreme Court to request for an urgent hearing today. The ED has filed an Article 32 petition alleging that its investigation into the I-PAC coal scam case was obstructed by Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. In its plea, the central agency has sought a CBI probe into the incident. It claimed that its right to conduct a fair and independent investigation has been curtailed by the state machinery. Earlier, the West Bengal government had filed a caveat in the Supreme Court urging that if the ED files a petition against them over I-PAC raids, the apex court should not give a one-sided decision without hearing the state government's side. The state government has filed 2 FIRs against the ED. The first FIR was filed by the family of I-PAC director Pratik Jain, who alleged that ED officials stole their private documents under the guise of a raid. Mamata Banerjee, the Chief Minister, has also alleged that data was stolen. The second FIR was filed by the TMC, alleging that ED officials are harassing people. Political battle lines drawn over the I-PAC coal scam case in West Bengal. 2 FIRs being filed, one by the family of I-PAC's director Pratik Jain and the other by TMC, I-PAC and the Chief Minister of West Bengal, claiming that data has been stolen in the guise of conducting the raids. A writ petition has been filed against the West Bengal government in the meanwhile, and the Chief Minister on behalf of 3 Enforcement Directorate officers who were in West Bengal during the operation. We have Piyush Pandey now joining us on the phone line. Piyush, talk to us. This is a political storm that continues to rage on in West Bengal. Now 2 FIRs have been filed against the Enforcement Directorate.
Yes, Krishna. Today, Enforcement Directorate officers, 3 officers, has moved the Supreme Court of India under Article 32 of the Constitution, alleging interference by the West Bengal government and Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee in its investigation into the I-PAC coal scam. The plea follows event from last week when ED officials were conducting searches at the Office of Indian Political Action Committee, or I-PAC, in Kolkata in connection with the probe during the operation. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee allegedly reached the I-PAC office along with the senior party leaders and confronted ED officials. So you understand what is the situation in Paschim Bengal and why ED moved in Supreme Court. ED has also alleged that the Chief Minister took away certain files from the premises during the raid, which it claims further impeded the investigation. According to the ED, the Chief Minister's presence at the search site and alleged removal of document had intimidating effect on the officers and seriously compromised the agency's ability to discharge its statutory functions independently. The agency has alleged repeated obstruction and non-cooperation by the state administration. There is a possibility, ED today mentioned in Supreme Court that issue, but after 2 p.m. there is a less chance. So, Krishna, they have filed 2 petitions, ED separately, and 3 officials who are involved in that operation. And now the ball in Supreme Court. Whenever they will mention or Supreme Court will hear that this matter, then the outcome will come. What will happen further? Yes, Krishna.
Right, Piyush Pandey, they're joining us with the latest on the goings-on in West Bengal. Piyush, all of this is happening in the lead-up to the elections in West Bengal, and the matter, in fact, the Enforcement Directorate tried to get a hearing today itself, an urgent hearing, but that didn't happen as well.
Yes, basically TMC and Mamata Banerjee saying regularly that the ED move is political vendetta, and that's why they have filed application in Supreme Court also, because they don't want ex-party order will come by Supreme Court, and after that the ED moved in Supreme Court, and now the ball in Supreme Court, and whenever they will mention or Supreme Court will hear this matter, the outcome will come. What will happen in this issue, because that is really political issue, and agency is doing his work, but there is something political vendetta as per by TMC and Mamata Banerjee. Yes, Krishna.
Piyush Pandey there joining us even as a plea has been filed on behalf of 3 Enforcement Directorate officers by the Central Probe Agency, ED filing another writ petition against wrongful restriction of its officers.